Today's house sits on a triangular site in Jacona, Mexico, with a curved edge facing the Celio River. The river doesn't cross the property directly, but runs close to its boundaries, tracing the edge of the area where the house was built. The triangular geometry of the plot was shaped by the river's natural curve, and the house's curved perimeter wall follows this line as if it were an extension of the riverbank. From this arc, the perimeter wall unfolds, bends to embrace the entrance, and wraps around the gardens, a gesture inspired by the gentle flow of the river. In Casa Jacona house, the spaces are divided into two wings connected by the entrance garden. The northeast wing, built on 2 levels, contains the main bedroom and library on the ground floor. Here, a door disguised as a bookshelf leads to an underground wine cellar. The southern wing concentrates daily living activities: kitchen, dining room, and living room, aligned under a light roof with a suspended overhang that protects from rain and softens the morning light. Polished earthen walls and wooden beams recall the traditional houses of the region, bringing warmth and a sense of memory to the interiors. The gardens, conceived as an extension of the house, breathe and interact with the interior spaces, bringing light, air, and a sense of dwelling in harmony with nature. Light was designed to follow the curves and contours, entering in a restrained and precise way. The granite wall that encloses the house dark and dense evokes refuge and shade. Openings allow the landscape to flow into the interiors, while vegetation agaves, flowering shrubs, and smooth-barked trees surrounds the house and acts as both a visual and climatic filter. Casa Jacona is a contemporary gesture anchored in the local landscape. Between granite, earth, wood, and light, it respects its surroundings and dialogues with the river. It's a house of subtle presence, light, quiet, and deeply rooted in the place it inhabits.